You're going to love the 2013 Chevrolet Volt. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded hatchback segment. Chevrolet paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.